don't have a loop at the tip of your fly line, like this line doesn't have a loop, you can create a Albright knot, which is a great way to connect your backing to your fly line. So you're gonna double over your fly line like so, pass your backing tag in through your fly line, pull out about 6 inches of backing, now pinch your fly line together like so, and now you're going to wrap 7 wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now pinch your wraps together, and you're going to go out the same way you came in. So see how the backing line comes this way? Now just put your tag in through the same way, like so. Cool. So they come out in the same direction. You see that? Now you can wet this line down. Make sure you wet it down really good. You want these knots to cinch down nice and clean. So I'm going to use some saliva. I'm going to grab my tag in and my backing line. I'm going to grab my tag in my fly line, and I'm going to pull it up. And what I'm going to do is also pull the knot forward and pull it all the way to the edge, and just keep pulling it. Okay? Once you get your knot sitting right there, let's tighten these down. And the good thing about the fly line is this braid really cinches it tight on there. So now what you can do is you can clip your fly line real close, and then you can clip your tag in of your backing. And that is the Albright knot. It's a great way to tie on your backing to your fly line. Have a fly line that already has a loop in it. I'll show you how to connect that one using a double surgeon knot in the top corner here. Go ahead and click that and watch that video. But thank you for watching.